Welcome to today's episode, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of neuroscience, neurobiology, and psychology. This episode serves as a companion to the course titled 3 CE Hours Neuroscience, Neurobiology, and Psychology, offered by Therapy Trainings. If you're a mental health professional, counselor, or therapist, you're in for a treat as we explore key insights from this course. And I promise to sprinkle in some additional perspectives that will enrich your understanding and practice. Today, you'll learn about the intricate relationship between the brain and behavior, the impact of neuroplasticity on therapy, and how understanding these scientific principles can enhance your therapeutic approach. Plus, we'll tackle some common misconceptions that might be holding you back from fully utilizing this knowledge in your practice. So, whether you're driving, taking a walk, or enjoying a cozy cup of coffee, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Let's start with a fundamental question. What does neuroscience have to do with therapy? Well, everything. Neuroscience provides us with a biological framework that explains how our brains process emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. In the course, we explore how the brain's structure and function influence mental health. For instance, did you know that the amygdala, often referred to as the fear center of the brain, plays a crucial role in emotional regulation? When working with clients who experience anxiety or trauma, understanding the amygdala's function can be incredibly helpful. Imagine a client sitting in your office, reliving a traumatic event. Their amygdala is likely hyperactive, signaling danger even when there is none. By recognizing this biological response, you can guide them through grounding techniques or mindfulness exercises that help calm that overactive amygdala. This knowledge doesn't just inform your approach, it empowers you to tailor your interventions to address the underlying neurological responses. Now let's transition into the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. In the course offered by Therapy Trainings, we delve into how neuroplasticity can be harnessed in therapeutic settings. This is where the magic happens. Neuroplasticity means that no matter how entrenched a behavior or thought pattern may seem, there is potential for change. For example, let's consider a client struggling with depression. Traditional views might suggest that their brain is stuck in certain negative thought patterns. But with the understanding of neuroplasticity, you can guide them in creating new, healthier thought patterns. Techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy, mindfulness, and even somatic exercises can help facilitate this change by literally rewiring the brain. And here's an interesting fact. Research suggests that even small changes in behavior, like practicing gratitude or engaging in physical activity, can produce significant neurobiological effects. So when clients express doubt about their ability to change, remind them that their brains are capable of growth and transformation. Now let's talk about how all of this intersects with psychology. The course outlines how psychological theories and practices can be enhanced by incorporating neuroscience. For instance, when working with clients using attachment theory, understanding the neurobiological basis of attachment can deepen your work. Did you know that the hormone oxytocin, often called the love hormone, plays a critical role in forming bonds? This knowledge can help you guide clients who struggle with intimacy issues. For someone who grew up in an environment lacking secure attachment, their brain may be wired to perceive relationships as threatening. By incorporating therapeutic strategies that foster safety and connection, you can help clients begin to trust, opening the door to healthier relationships. Now, let's address some common misconceptions that can arise when we talk about the intersection of neuroscience and therapy. A frequent misconception is that neuroscience is too complex or technical to integrate into everyday practice. However, the truth is, you don't need a PhD in neuroscience to apply these principles. The course simplifies these concepts, making them accessible and applicable to your work with clients. Another misconception is the idea that biological explanations can overshadow psychological or social factors. It's crucial to remember that while neuroscience gives us valuable insights, it doesn't negate the importance of psychological, environmental, and social influences on mental health. The biopsychosocial model is still relevant and vital. Neuroscience adds another layer, enhancing our understanding rather than replacing it. And let's not forget about the myth that neuroplasticity only occurs in childhood. While it's true that our brains are most malleable during early development, research shows that neuroplasticity continues throughout our lives. So, remind your clients that they are not defined by their past experiences. They have the power to reshape their brain, no matter their age. As we wrap up our exploration today, let's reflect on how this knowledge can transform your practice. By integrating neuroscience and neurobiology into your therapeutic approach, you are not only addressing symptoms, but also empowering clients to understand the why behind their struggles. This understanding can lead to greater self-compassion and motivation for change. So here's a thought for you. Next time you're in session, consider sharing a bit of this neuroscience knowledge with your clients. It might just shift their perspective from feeling like victims of their mental health issues to becoming active participants in their healing journey. Before we conclude, I encourage you to check out therapy trainings and the course on neuroscience, neurobiology, and psychology. The insights gained from this course can profoundly enhance your clinical practice and enrich your client's experience. You can find more resources and courses by visiting therapytrainings.com, where a wealth of knowledge awaits you. Thank you for joining me today for this companion episode. I hope you feel inspired and equipped to dive deeper into the interconnected worlds of neuroscience and therapy. Remember, the brain is a powerful ally in the journey of healing. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making a difference in the lives of those you serve.